Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of screen printing with the 30-watt LED exposure unit by Dorhui, a game changer for your screen printing projects. This powerful unit features a 395 nanometers UV light that significantly reduces the curing time of photo emulsion, making your workflow faster and more efficient. With its simple on-off button switch, you can easily control the exposure process, conserving energy and ensuring precise curing times. Designed for compatibility with Diazo photo emulsion screens, this exposure light can cure your emulsion in just 10 to 15 minutes, thanks to its high-quality lamp bead that promises stable performance and a remarkable lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. Built with safety in mind, the unit boasts a sturdy base with non-slip feet, ensuring stability even under heavy loads, and its straightforward design makes assembly a breeze. Perfect for a wide range of printing processes, including screen printing, pad printing, and hot stamp printing, this exposure unit accurately transfers images from film to screen and cures products with precision. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, the Dorhui 30-watt LED exposure unit is an essential tool for achieving high-quality screen printing results. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.